guys, welcome back. I'm Tyler Campbell with McAllister Group, your local South Florida Diversitech representative, the manufacturer of all your Master Care chemicals. Today we're going to be talking about our Triple D coil cleaner. This is our favorite, most universal coil cleaner. It can be used on almost any HVAC application with a variety of different dilution ratios. This is a biodegradable product. It is alkaline, USDA approved, and most importantly, it is made here in the United States. And it is available at all of your local Tropic supply distributors.
All right, so now we're going to talk about how to properly mix chemicals for this specific application that you're working on. So first off, throw in some gloves, and then we've got a few different ratios that we can work with. So first, for condenser coils, you're going to want to use a 6-to-1 ratio. That's going to be just over 21 ounces of coil cleaner per gallon of water. If you're using a 1-gallon spray mixer, there's half-gallon, 2-gallon options out there. I've got a 1-gallon mixer here. And then we can use a 10-to-1 ratio for evaporator coils. That's going to be just over 12 ounces of coil cleaner per gallon of water. And then we even have a no rinse option with this. That's a 20-to-1 ratio. Just about 6.5 ounces of coil cleaner per gallon of water. So we'll start with that. I'll show you how to mix that. So we've got our 4-cup measuring cup here. Not sure if you have anything like this in your truck. This is handy to have around so you can fill it up to the 21 ounces or plus for your gallon mixer. So we'll start with the no rinse option. Or just over 6 ounces there. So that's going to be the proper mixture for a no rinse, commonly used on an evaporator coil. So we'll go ahead and dump that in our pump sprayer and then mix with a gallon of water. And then we'll move on to our evaporator coil. So we want just over 12 ounces, so somewhere like that. So that's the amount of chemicals you need for your evaporator coil application. Go ahead and mix that in your pump sprayer, fill the rest up with water, you're good to go. And for condenser coils, we're going to need a stronger mixture, so I will top that off just over 21 ounces. So you're going to have about that much chemicals right there per gallon of water. Go ahead and pour that in your pump sprayer, fill it up with a gallon of water, and you're good to go for your condenser coil. So Triple D is a very universal coil cleaner. Can be used for just about any coil cleaning application as well as other uses.
All right, so once you've got your proper mixture, make sure you get that in your pump sprayer with a gallon of water. Shake that up real nice. Make sure you got it nice and mixed up in there. And then you're going to want to add some pressure to your pump sprayer. And it's a good idea to start from the bottom of the coil, work your way up. Thoroughly get that on there. Make sure you're really getting in between the fins and the coil. It's not going to hurt the fins on the coil at all. It's not going to degrade any part of the coil. You're going to let that sit for around 5 minutes, up to 10 minutes if you have a very soiled coil. And then once that's sat long enough, you're going to take fresh water and you're going to thoroughly rinse the whole coil off, not leaving any of this left on the coil. Make sure you get all the debris, dirt, grease, and grime off of that. And then you should be good to go. So again, this is our Triple D coil cleaner from Diversitech, our very universal coil cleaner, available at all of your local Tropic supply wholesalers.